A 500-year-old temple rebuilt for the 20th time. Same design, new wood, which is the real temple. The Ai's Grand Shrine is completely reconstructed every 20 years, a tradition spanning 1,300 years. Carpenters use no nails, only ancient joints. Eternal renewal through destruction, philosophy-made architecture. Japan embraces parallel temporary worlds. Cherry blossom viewing parties or hanami are a prime example. Families sit knowing petals will fall. The beauty is in their impermanence, a moment to cherish. Then there's the modern rental family service. Lonely people hire actors for any occasion. Weddings, funerals, any occasion. Both hanami and rental families are beautiful because they are temporary. Love hotels, with their themed rooms, are constantly demolished and rebuilt. Fantasy is never permanent. Guests know the illusion expires at 10 a.m. checkout, a fleeting escape from reality. Some couples return to the same room number for years, recreating a single perfect night. Consider convenience store onigiri, made just hours ago with a perfect freshness window. Discarded if unsold. The rice ball as metaphor, beautiful because it will disappear. It must be eaten now, it cannot be saved. A fleeting culinary delight, even digital realms embrace impermanence. Online memorials for virtual pets and game characters. Deleted social media accounts. Priests now perform real ceremonies for digital souls. Ancestors evolving even in the digital age. A new form of remembrance. A bullet train window reflection. A passenger sees their own face overlaying the passing landscape. Both moving too fast to capture, both real and unreal simultaneously. A pure Japanese moment.